Daniel Padilla, 2014 pa lang pala ay gusto niya nang hiwalayan si Catherine Bernardo para ligawan niya si Jasmine Curtis. Halina't panoorin natin ang buong detalye. Daniel Padilla, 2014 pa lang pala ay gusto nang makipaghiwalay sa kanyang long-time girlfriend na ex niya na ngayon na si Catherine para ligawan si Jasmine Curtis. Pero hindi siya pinayagan ng kanyang ina na si Carla Estrada dahil alam ng nanay niya na milyon-milyon ang mawawala kay Daniel kapag hiniwalayan niya si Catherine dahil sa milyon-milyong endorsement at projects. Ito ay ayon sa article na isinulat ni Alex Brosas. As early as 2014, Daniel Padilla's love for Catherine Bernardo had already gone kaput as he planned to pursue his co-star in Bonifacio, ang unang Pangulo, Jasmine Curtis Smith. This was disclosed to us by an impeachable source, saying that Padilla was so enamored with Curtis Smith that he wanted to break up with Bernardo during that time. Padilla was said to have expressed his change so far to his mom, Carla Estrada, who instantly objected to her son's plan. Estrada supposedly explained to Padilla that he would lose a lot as most of their endorsement had them as a couple. Those millions in endorsements would be gone if they broke up. Padilla, in a controversial 2014 audio recording, could be heard expressing his giddiness when Curtis Smith texted him. The audio had Padilla talking about Sam, believed to be Sam Concepcion, Curtis Smith's boyfriend at that time. Padilla was man enough to admit it was him in the controversial audio recording and that he was already for his seniniga.